नॉरेडिया चल रहा है यहाँ से?
Yes, sir.
नॉरेडिया चल रहा है? इसको कब कितना है? एक
Sir,
मिनट
9:30 पे start किया
बेटा,
था.
नॉरेडिया कितना है?
Sir, अभी 1 पे.
1 पे है. आप फेंटेनिल 5 ml बोलस दो. 5 ml बोलस दो. पेशेंट का हेड एंड को फ्लैट कीजिए. हेड एंड को फ्लैट कीजिए प्लीज.
सोनाली आप करो, आपने ग्लव्स निकल डाल दी इसमें मेडिसिन.
You have witnessed Shaban to any other institution this bronchoscopy?
Many cases.
Many cases.
I am seeing this all my life. Actually, I started my career in the ICUs. So since 2005, worked with Dr. Minal. I have spent many years. That's what I said. We have set up, so many, broncho suits, specifically point of care, within the ICU, because we clearly marketize that, what is clinical bronchoscopy and what is the, the point of care or the intensive care bronchoscopy. It's a very different.
They are two different.
Queen of Profits.
Kalicharan, I want you to call technician, bronchoscopy technician with a bronchoscope. Can you just call? Because we are wasting time.
I'm sorry.
So I want you to call, please. Ask somebody to call the bronchoscopy technician. There is a white block and everything. Actually, these areas, Shaban, they were never segregated in the past. So there is a lot of overlapping which has been there.
It's usually this thing that, when a regular ICUs and a regular general hospital ICUs are created, then when the ICUs gets, because infrastructure is actually for a good volume centers, they should think about when designing it.
Right.
But they usually will not call Dr. Manish when they are thinking about building up this thing. They will only call Dr. Manish when the hospital is ready and nothing can be done. Then we started manipulating कि यार इस पे से थोड़ा सा space create कर दो क्योंकि हमें close room चाहिए.
ये जो आज हम देख रहे हैं ना Shaban, this is a ICU which I have started in this hospital. There's another ICU, if the time permits, I will show you on the 6th floor. It's a good ICU. And this team is going to move to the Shada Care, which is a new project with us. So this is basically a kind of a test drive which we have done, whether we are ready for the bigger project, which is another, I think, 600 or 900 bed rented hospital is there, which is there in the same campus. Have you been able to witness?
I heard about it. I spoke to Mr. Kapoor. So
You had a discussion with Sunil? So he need to be there. You invite him, no?
After this, I'll go and meet you.
So to begin with, this Apeksha, Anshu, Satish, Sachandeep and Mr. Shubham.
So to begin with, this case is a young female. She is a case of snake bite poisoning. So she came in altered sensorium. So because of poor GCS and altered sensorium, she has been intubated in the emergency department and she came in intubated state. So as we know, in the snake bite patient, there is a lot of secretions are there in the airway. Airway में secretions बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. So because of the cholinergic crisis, cholinergic excess, because of the too much of secretions, there are high chances of patient may have mucus plugs, secretions in the airway. So as for the rescue, so today we are going to scope this patient just to see the airways which are filled with mucus plugs or secretions. Just as a diagnostic, as a therapeutic, we have to remove the secretions in this patient.
Somebody has to switch off the light. यहाँ एक syringe लगेगा और मुझे सिर्फ 20 ml syringe चाहिए. Please no more 10 ml syringe. Be very clear.
रविंद्र को
मैं लगा दिया.
20 दे रखिए.
20 ml उसके लिए चाहिए. Suction. ठीक है. बेड की हाइट नीचे हो सकती है और नीचे करो और नीचे सोना. यस, परफेक्ट. ठीक है. वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. है ना. अगेन पेशेंट इज ऑन 100% FiO2. यू कैन सी. You have to make sure that the patient is stable enough. Who is going to see the blood pressure? Who is the nurse? Shalu? One person has to. Asha, you have to check the BP and vitals. 20 seconds you have to count in your head. 20 तक गिनना है अपने मन में. जैसे 20 होंगे आपको बोलना है 20 seconds now. Be loud because I have to know how much time I am crossing. ठीक है. समझ में आया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. चलें. Here you have to see. क्या हुआ? अरे इधर से बंद कर बेटा. What are you doing? Perception. With negotiating. ये वाला कितने diameter का है? 5.2. 5.2. So we are here the tracheal stem. Put some saline. Now here इसमें ज़्यादा है. शुभांग है? शुभांग इसमें देख म्यूकस प्लग ज़्यादा है.
या
ये दिख रहा है?
स्टार्टिंग से
ये दिख रहा है तुम्हें?
बिल्कुल दिख रहा है.
हाँ ये अब इसमें सक्शन पतला है. देखिए ये देखिए कितना बड़ा म्यूकस प्लग है.
20 done,
तो
sir.
इसको पहले सक करना पड़ेगा तभी जाके हम नीचे जा पाएंगे.
हाँ. Put saline please.
20 done, sir. 145 by 97.
20 हाँ. आप बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम पकड़ रहे हैं अंसारी. पीछे से मुझे इसमें जाने में मुश्किल हो रहा है. Clean the tip please. टिप को क्लीन करो.
20 done.
इसको छोड़
145 by
दे.
90.
Leave this one. इसको टिप को क्लीन करो. सलाइन लो. सलाइन सलाइन टेक सलाइन. टिप को क्लीन करो. चलिए. इसमें ज़्यादा निकला है.
इसमें ज़्यादा निकला है.
जिसमें पतला स्कोप है उसमें ज़्यादा निकला है. इसमें पहले से ही
पहले पेशेंट का पहले भी आप कर चुके हैं, आपने बताया था ना.
इसका नहीं किया.
इसका नहीं किया, तो वो दूसरा
ये तो
snake
आप-
bite था.
ये आपके लिए रखा हुआ है.
नहीं, आपने बताया था ना स्नेक बाइट एक
वो दूसरा था. वो दूसरा था.
पीडियाट्रिक केस में था वो केस.
डालना बेटा सलाइन. देखो इसमें आप अगर आप देखेंगे ना नाउ द ट्रेके लुक्स हेल्दी. कैन यू सी दिस इज पिंक हेल्दी.
क्लीन हो गया, फट हो गया.
अब ऐसे केसेस को ना एक्सट्रूबेट करना इजी हो जाता है.
20
ये देखो
done,
कितना अच्छा है.
145, 90.
ठीक है. यहाँ पर लोग क्यों नहीं है. हाँ. डाल सलाइन डाल.
सेक्शन ऑफ सेक्शन ओपन.
ये राइट अपर लुक का है.
Twenty done, 165 by 116.
हाउ इज द बीपी?
165 by 116.
5 ml fentanyl bolus. सलाइन.
Yes, sir.
Saline, please. Saline, Anil. Focus on this. And this suction has to be applied intermittently. Otherwise, take यहाँ पे because like that.
Even sir, fentanyl 5 ml.
सेक्शन ऑफ सेंट्रल लाइन का यूज कर रहे हैं ना.
हाँ जी.
सेक्शन ऑफ सेंट्रल लाइन का यूज कर रहे हैं ना.
हाँ हाँ.
तो इसका कोई प्रेशर हमको ऐसा मेंटेन करने की
100
जरूरत
to
है.
120 भी keep it.
100 to 120.
You can rotate. इसको rotatory now. डालना तुम्हें.
149 by 107.
Ventilation. Catheter. Suction trap. चलिए देना.
20 done, 149 by 107.
बीपी कितना है?
149 by 107.
जल्दी और चाहिए. नहीं ये बस ये हो जाएगा. ये टाइट है.
टाइट है सर.
कौन सा?
हाँ, ये डाल दें.
बीपी प्रेस करना. ट्यूब को ना नीचे नहीं जाना. एंडोब्रोंकियल हो जाएगा. ट्यूब को यहाँ से पकड़ के इस तरीके से थोड़ा बाहर निकालते हैं, है ना? अदरवाइज एंडोब्रोंकियल होता है.
दूसरी क्या साइज है इसको?
5.2 सर. 5.2. वो वाला हमारा 6. कितना था?
5.8. 20 done, 150 by 102.
20 अभी तो गए हैं बेटा. 20 जब मैं जाऊंगा तब बताना है. तो 20 पर टिक है. 20 ठीक है. जाने पे 20 बोल रहे हैं ना उसके बाद. चल जा यार सलाइन.
सेक्शन किंग.
Saline with mucomix less than.
सेक्शन ओपन.
This is left main stem. The one which you see on the 9 o'clock is left. And the one which you see on the 3 o'clock, ये देख यहाँ पे this is mucus plugs which are there. एक मिनट डाल.
Saline with mucomix less than.
आगे बहुत अच्छा हो गया, इसमें तो पूरा क्लीन है। अपेक्षा यू कैन सी,
Yes, sir.
अनुषा, Yes, sir. सचिन दी,
अभी है सर थोड़ा सा
तू ब्रेक लगा रहा है मेरी गाड़ी में। लगाया। अब उसने बोला तो मुझे करना पड़ेगा।
डाल दो सर, फिर वो बोल देगा सर लंच में आपको बार-बार याद दिलाना।
डाल।
चलाएंगे तो जिंदगी तो अच्छा होगा।
यार एक्चुअली क्या है, कैफेटेरिया अप्रोच है, कस्टमर यहाँ से खुश होके जाए। Just remove this mucus extraction.
बट सर स्पेशलिटी है कि काफी वॉल पे आई कैन सी लॉट ऑफ डिफेक्ट्स।
हाँ हाँ।
इनका इंक्यूबेशन
नहीं ये ना, these are all generally these macroscopic trauma. Thank you. Now it is clean. What you can see here na, it's more of a saliva, saline based froth, but not the sputum or something which is sticky secretion. So these are healthy secretions. Yeah, please. Sorry.
ये तो एक्चुअली ब्रोंकोस्कोपी से हो जाता है, बट सर बोला नहीं पहली बार किया है, ये ही हो जाता है।
These are minor things.
ये म्यूकोसा है ना।
देखो अब सचली यहाँ पर ये जो आ रहा है ना, एयर फ्रॉड जो बबल्स दिख रहे हैं, दिस इज बिकॉज सलाइन इज मिक्स विद एयर, तो उसकी वजह से फ्रॉड है। बाकी उसमें इसको ज़्यादा निकालेंगे ना तो डैमेज हो जाएगा। थैंक यू एवरीवन। हरे कृष्णा।
We do a looping, and then to maneuver the scope is very easy. So just try without the putting it in the patient.
What you are saying?
Just take the lower end and just loop it front. No. So make a big loop. Yes. Take it up, and now go down. Now make a loop.
Go down in the sense?
So you
Fiber.
just like do this. No, the big loop so that the fibers are not broken. Yeah. Now in pediatrics, what we do is,
I got your point.
and it's very easy, and it's a reverse loop actually. To go left right, you just have to do this, and the whole thing turns right. Because if you twist it while doing it, that breaks more fiber. So what I mean is, rather than doing this, when I try to do like this, so I just have to move like this, and the whole thing moves. So I don't have to just turn it right, left. मुझे इतना यहाँ से fiber break नहीं करना पड़ता.
No, that's a very good suggestion.
That's why we do looping in children because the use of 2.8 and 3.2 more, which are easy to loop. They're easy to loop and are easy to break if you twist them too much. In bigger, मुझे तो इसका लग रहा है इतना लेंथ नहीं है कि तुम लूप कर पाओ और नीचे तक पहुंच जाओ.
हो नहीं पाएगा. In fact, actually there is a saying that this stem of the bronchoscope should be as straight as possible. Because the more you make it, if you make a curvature, then chances of damaging the fibers is high.
That's right. It's a big loop.
So I understood your point,
But-
which is a good point.
Yeah, twisting breaks it more.
Yeah. So good suggestion. We will
And it
try.
becomes very easy. I mean, if you just see, the slightest movement of your left hand moves the whole bronchoscope towards the left and right.
No, it's a good suggestion. We can try it. Maybe next time I will.
I do my pediatric bronchoscopy with a loop. Always.
Excellent.
अंसारी जी आप क्या साइडेक्स यूज कर रहे हो क्या?
उसके बाद it has to go in your
Normal water.
नहीं glutal rehydrate. Glutal rehydrate. Sidex ही है वो एक तरीके से. So now we have a new.
सैनिडेक्स ओपी करके आता है, उससे हेवी है उसका. इसका जो स्टरलाइजेशन है 6 to 12 मिनट है और साइडेक्स का जो है 15 to 20 मिनट.
ओके मतलब
Sidex अब हम use नहीं करते. Sidex नहीं use करते. These are all medical grade sterilization liquids. It's a standard what we use, है ना?
So what left and right के लिए फिर बटन है?
No, this is not. In fact, this is my mistake. I have not told you. Actually, when you see, this is a device which is going to activate the tip. So if you're pressing it down, it goes anteriorly. If you're pressing it up, it goes posteriorly. Anteriorly means up and right, and this is going down, right? Now, if I have to go on the left side of the lung, so what should I have to do? I rotate it, and then I do it like this. Just see. Here I'm rotating it, and then I'm doing it like this. So it will go into the lung. If I have to go in the right, this is left. If I have to go in the right, I rotate it like this or like this. Or I can do it like this and then I can make it like this. Now these movements you have to learn and you have to engrave in your muscles as a memory. We call it as muscle memory. Like when I'm doing it, I'm not even thinking. It's kind of, you know, driving a car. You don't have to think where you have to rotate. So this is manual dexterity, which requires practice. And obviously with practice you understand, because only two movements are possible. One is anteriorly and the second is posteriorly. On the basis of these two movements, you have to decide which part of the lung, which part of the lobe you have to get access. Okay, Apeksha?
So your right is patient's right and your left is patient's left. Like this, if you have to go to the right side, you rotate the probe like this. And if you have to go to the left side, then left side. And you have to insert it.
And so those two buttons.
So one is for taking a snapshot. You take the pictures of whatever the image which is of interest to you. Let's say there is a mucus plug which we have seen. I have captured that. Here we have not recorded somehow, but whenever we have to record, have you realized this is one monitor here? There we were having two monitors.
Yeah.
Two monitors because one is for visualization, second is for recording.
Recording.
So they're two different things which are. Here we have not done because the space is not available, right? So one is basically to record the video, and the second is to take the snapshot, the picture of it. So these two dots, right? This is your suction, right? This is your cable which connects over there. This is your
Is
instrumentation
there
unit.
any disposable materials attached?
Like
Yes.
the suction button
Yeah.
is
These are
disposable
disposable.
one.
Disposable.
Yeah,
Sir.
these are disposable. So what
Can
we
you
do?
just show how to connect this suction? Okay, it's a simple one. Okay, okay.
It gets locked when you press it.
So it's one
has to be
for
locked.
one for one patient or
No,
how
no,
is
no,
it?
no, no. Autoclave, no, it's not autoclave, sorry. We sterilize it. We generally, when we purchase this complete flow unit, we receive around 20-25 from
Okay,
the company.
okay.
And depending upon, these are something which you can use it unless and until there is a defunction which happens with it. You can
And
use
the
it.
cap that is being used at the point
Which
of
cap, ma'am?
catheter.
This one.
This
This
one
cap
also-
is very important.
Yeah, that one.
This maintains the negative pressure in the circuit. See, you're connecting it to the suction.
Suction.
Yeah, right.
If this cap is open, this has a self-sealing seal. Self-sealing seal. So unless and until I plug in, it will give me a continuous negative pressure which you actually need to have in the bronchoscopy unit. If there's no negative suction, how will you suction the secretions? Right? You understand? Because you have to suction the secretions, you have to remove the bloods. So the moment I press this one, this suction, the negative pressure get activated in. If this is not functioning, self-sealing unit, then what will happen? Even if I press it, the air will enter in from this. And it will fail to provide you a negative pressure over the tip. We basically need negative pressure over the tip. Why? Because you have to suction the secretion from the tip. Tip जाता है ना अंदर. अंशु नहीं समझ में आया?
नहीं,
दिखाई करिए. See Anshu, just imagine ये ऐसे जाएगा patient. मैंने ट्यूब में गया.
Correct.
Now it is going inside. Now this is inside the patient lung. Now there is secretions. You saw whitish.
White,
नहीं कुछ नहीं. I have to do the suction.
Okay.
ठीक है. अच्छा कनेक्ट कर दे ज़्यादा बेटर. ठीक है. अभी समझ में आ जाएगा. और
सब करना
ये लिख रहा चलाएं.
ये इससे जितने टाइम होता है
नहीं इधर रखना. जो मैं कह रहा हूँ वो करिए. समझ. ठीक है. Now this is a self-sealing unit. Now just see ये suction कैसे करेगा. दिख रहा है suction हो रहा है. ठीक है. अब ये वाला part functioning नहीं है. अब एक suction नहीं करेगा. यहाँ से pressure.
Negative pressure is not created.
ये चला गया
अब मुझे मेरा area of interest क्या है? My area of interest is tip. It is the tip which is giving me the result.
Right.
So I have to ensure that all, in fact, there has to be a check which you have to perform. After doing bronchoscopy, after doing each bronchoscopy, they have to perform negative pressure test to ensure that there is no leak in the system.
And that negative pressure test will be done by using the cap.
Yeah. Obviously, it has
What
to be.
if we want to use the catheter for biopsy? Do we need to use that cap or
Yes,
will
yes,
it
yes.
for that?
The cap
also?
is self-sealing.
Okay.
It will only allow you the permeable space for the guide wire to pass. But it will give you a good negative pressure seal.
Okay.
It's like a one-way fish mouth valve. Do you understand? As an engineer, fish mouth one-way valve.
साइकिल के
Which
टायर
does
में
it?
जैसे हवा बढ़ता
हाँ जी?
है जैसे साइकिल के
हाँ
टायर में हवा
ये
बढ़ता
शेर है. शेर है, अभी चीता आ गया. चलो. ठीक है, चल. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.